Welcome to Awaken Florida, the ultimate journey to nourish your mind, body, and soul. At Awaken Florida, we're about more than just well-being. We're on a quest to enrich every dimension of your life. Spiritual, mental, physical, and emotional. We embrace diversity wholeheartedly. Our doors are wide open, welcoming everyone with full accessibility. Here, we unite to immerse ourselves in a vibrant tapestry of experiences, such as soul-enriching music, enlightening conversations, transformational wellness, culinary delights, inspiring workshops, and that's just the beginning. Awaken Florida beautifully blends the wisdom of ancient traditions in yoga, meditation, and healing therapies with contemporary insights, creating a global mosaic of enlightenment. The day begins with the vibrant energy of sound healing, movement, and drum sessions, setting the stage for a transformative experience. As the sun sets across the sky, we delve into enriching lectures, interactive learning sessions, and immersive workshops. And when the night falls, be prepared for enchanting live performances by renowned artists. This year, Awaken Florida is taking it up a notch with dance workshops, stilt walkers, butterfly encounters, live art, the Bearded Brothers Band, and Grammy Award winner Millie Puente performing with an incredible 11-piece Latin jazz band. This is a weekend you won't want to miss. Join us on Saturday, December 2nd from 10 to 6 p.m. and Sunday, December 3rd from 10 to 5:30 p.m. This takes place right here at the beautiful Wellcome Center. Secure your complimentary spot now by clicking the Find Ticket button at awakenflorida.org. Awaken Florida, a symphony of mind, body, and soul, now with even more magic and music. We can't wait to share this festival with you.